Looking out for a simple way you can tie your head wrap is my duty. So I'm going to share this simple one with you and I hope you're going to like it. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my material. This is a paper material, a bit soft than Sego material. Then I'm going to divide it into 40/60. We're going to learn how to divide our material into different portions probably later video that I'll be dropping very soon. Now, after I divided it, I folded it up and I make some pleat down. Grab it with elastic band, then fold the pleated parts into two at the middle like this again. Grab another elastic band and replace my hand with the elastic band. So once I replace my hand with another elastic band, the look is going to come out like this. Okay, then let's look at what we have at the remaining part. That is the 40 part, and this longer part is the 60 part. So I'm going to stretch them out and place it right on my head. If you want to tie this style, you can rock it while you have your hair out, or you can use it to cover your head. That means you will not leave space at the middle of the head. You have to cover it up before you knot at the back. Now I have my hair and I would like to open that hair at the middle. So what do? I'll arrange all arrangeables at the sides. Now I'll go to the back and give it a final knot with the shorter part. I'm using the shorter part to give it a final knot at the back, which I'm currently doing on the screen. So once I get that done, I'm going to have only one part of the material left, which is going to be the 60 parts, if I'm right. Yes, I'm going to have the 60 parts. This is the 60 part, which is the longer part. So I'm going to come to the front like this, direct it forward and stretch it out before I twist everything down. I'll just roll it down like this. Now let's see what I'm going to do with this rolled part. I'll take it like this. See, it's coming to the front, not to the back directly. It's going to the back, but I'll first bring it to the front. Use it to divide the part I divided with elastic band. Then take the excess backward and look for a way to secure it. Look for a way to secure it properly and firmly. Now I'm done with the excess there like this. Now we come to the front where the beauty of all your head wrap lies. Now you come to it and grab the edge down like this. Pick an office pin and secure down. You know, if you are going for gele tutorial, you always need office pin, and probably you get your elastic band ready, especially when you want to do a quick one. Now I'll go to the other side and repeat the same process. I'm going to pin the edge down. Use my hand to adjust all the adjustables and get it smart and beautiful on my head. You know, this is one of the simplest way you can use to tie your head wrap. So I hope you have gained one or two things while watching this video. If you have, drop the comment below and let me hear feedback from you. That is the back, and I'll see you in my next video. Do take care and have a lovely day.